Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Ate Merns. Hello. Shout out to Sabah, Malaysia, like James Celebres. Hello, shout out. John Ritata Tanodra, hello, shout out. From Sabah, Malaysia. Dudong Ataka, Lando Rojas, Danilo Solario, hello, shout out. And Rinaldo Pasencia, Inday Saladaga, and Ronald Saladaga. Hello, shout out from Sabah, Malaysia. Cici Cecilia Luor, hello, shout out from Manila. Robs de la Cruz from Manila. Inday Torion, hello, shout out from Manila. And also to Lodi Matutina from Davao City. Nelo Melo Matutina from Davao City. Marilyn Lebre. And also to Samuel Tabares Jr. and Junel Bermudez. Nini Panilag, hello, shout out from Don Salvador Benedicto, Negros Occidental. And also to Madam Edwina Villalon, hello, shout out from Barangay Bunga, Don Salvador Benedicto, Negros Occidental. And also to Apollo Zarwin Albarazin from Tibanban, Governor Generoso, Davao Oriental. And Mikey